In this video, let's talk about how to fix cannot create account phone number used. Now, if you're in this situation, the first thing that you could try out is try to log into the existing account associated with that number to either delete it or to free up the number. So if you do think that is the case, what you could do is within the login page, you will normally see an option called forgot password, which will then prompt you to enter in your phone number. Then you will receive a OTP on the phone number that you added in so that you could reset it. If that is not the case for you, then what you could also try out is once you are logged into your old account, you can simply head over to your settings and use a different phone number. Now, if these are not the cases for you, then what you could try out is look to contact the customer support and simply tell that this is not the number or this is not your account, so that the customer support team could actually help you out. But in order to do this, you need to provide your identity. Make sure that you have your details with you, which could be your passport or your driver's license. So that's the way on how you could do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.